life up here. All farmland, no doubt, because I see a lot of banana trees, and they're like grapes or guineas. I'm not quite sure. I'll get a name on that. But yeah, everywhere I look, there's fruit growing on the tree somewhere. The roads are quite rough. Oh shit. Yeah, as you can see, it's been raining. I'll let you see it. I haven't said what it was yet, but I'll let you see it. But yeah, give me your thoughts on why they use that, or maybe they just found it there and just put it there. I know it obviously represents tourists, that is for sure, but yeah, it's quite a funny sign. Guess I'm close to it. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. No, I believe it's just down there. You're really close.
So we can go back.
Just hope I don't come across no snakes or anything else which is going to harm me. As you can see, the roads are real treacherous. I'll let you see it. I haven't said what it was yet, but I'll let you see it. But yeah, give me your thoughts on why they use that, or maybe they just found it there and just put it there. I know it obviously represents tourists, that is for sure, but yeah, it's quite a funny sign. Guess I'm close to it. Yeah, let me know your thoughts.
We have to stop.
No, I believe it's just down there. You're really close.
So we can go back.
Hi, just sitting at this lovely place. Nice and peaceful, no one here, and they're very welcoming, which is nice. I would like to know, hello, that tree?
Durian.
Ririan. Durian.
Yes.
Okay, I will get closer to it to let you guys know what it is. But yeah, wait, if you guys come to this waterfall, they're very welcoming. She said it's okay to sit down and chill. I tried to explain to her, she doesn't speak very good English, but off camera, she said she would have been willing to film. It would have been okay to talk to her and film. She said she knew a little English, and I tried to get her to give me the understanding of Thai life here. I know she lives in the mountains, but surely she's got relatives which lives in the city. Maybe she's lived in the city herself, you know. But I tried to get an insight on how their life is now and the impact on the COVID situation. You know, of everything going up. You know, is their wages reflecting on it? You know, can they survive? But yeah, she couldn't speak very good English, which is a shame. But I am looking for someone like that who could give me the insight on how it is for them. You know. But yes, this is a durian tree. I've seen it, looking at it now. They grow quite big, like a watermelon size, because I've seen them selling it on the markets. Oh, I see mango tree there as well. This is the life, isn't it? You know, God, this is what I would dream for. If I had enough money, I will find a place like this and have everything growing here. Just a simple life for me. Oh, I thought that was mango, but it's not. Not sure what that is. I shall ask the lady when I go back up there. But every tree you see here, every tree. Oh, I know what these are, but I can't remember what they're called. I'll get her to name the two which I've got on video. But these ones here, I know they sell because I've tried it. I bought some from the groceries just to see. No, I didn't buy them. I tasted it. And I didn't buy them because I didn't like it. But, you know, each to their own. They obviously sell a load of them. It's almost like a guinnep, I'd say. Or like a grape. It's got like that grape. Once the skin is hard, you take off. And yes, it's quite jelly-like inside. I don't know whether anyone finds this interesting or not, but it's interesting to me. I know those ones down there are banana trees because I know what a banana tree looked like. When I was driving up here, there's loads of banana trees about. I see some with, you know, a good 30 bananas on it. But I think that's what they need to do more in England. You know, they say they're planting another 100,000 trees or whatever it may be. And what they need to do is plant trees which is going to, you know, give back to people. But they don't want that. You know, they can plant a lot of trees what could give back to people in our climate. Apples, you know, cherries, things like that. You know, they can just do a vast amount of them. But no, they don't want that. They don't want people going there and just getting free. No, they want you keep going at the supermarkets, keep buying off of them. I was going to ask them about the other two, but they're round the back and I won't bother them. But look it up yourselves. Oh, here he is. Hello, sorry to bother you one more time. The little small,
They're not big.
what's it called? Small one.
Yeah, small.
You know, small,
Durian. Yeah, small.
the big one, the big.
Not big. 3 months. Big.
3-month big. The big one, mango.
No. And big.
No, this
5 kilo. 5 kilo. Big.
okay. That there, that's what I was looking at. What's that one? This.
Oh yeah. Not small.
Oh, papaya.
Yeah.
Aha. Thank you, Carpenter. I see, that's what it is papaya. You know, I don't know nothing about none of that. I've grown a lot of food in London. I had a very big garden, and every year I would grow lots of different food. Papaya. I've never bought it in a supermarket before. I wouldn't have known what it looked like, you know. So anyone watching this probably think, oh, you bloody idiot, you should know what it is. Well, I didn't. Is that the same leaves? Yes, it is the same leaves. I just had to double check if it was. the same thing, but yes, they grow bloody huge. Yes. For those people who live like this around the world, up here, with all your creature comforts, you know, your Wi-Fi and, you know, your creature comforts, just like as if you was in the Western world. It's bloody paradise. You don't never have to go to the supermarket unless you just want to buy bits and pieces of crap. Hello, doggy. Hello. You okay? Yes, you are, mate. Good little doggy, innit? I bet you must love it out here. Roam about wherever you want. You got all the freedom you want. No stuck in a house waiting for someone to come back to work. You got the life. You got the right life here, mate. You know? Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Nice and friendly. Yes, you are. Lovely. All I've got to say, this beats waking up in London every day. You know, looking at your four walls or going out with every miserable face around you. And the system trying to take money out of your pocket as soon as you step out of your house. You know, this is it, mate. I'm at the waterfall. Made it at the waterfall. You know, I came here a couple of days ago and I didn't go this way down. I took another route down. Finally made it at the bottom of the waterfall. As you look at my face, sweating like no one's business. This is the terrain you gotta go through. Ah, shit, I've been bitten by a snake. Nah, I'm joking. Just joking, just joking. I don't think you're gonna catch any snakes here. You've gotta be on the big main island. Or maybe there is snakes in here. Ooh, I'm frightening myself now. Oh, the water don't look too happy. Doesn't look nice at all. Do you know, I came here a couple of days ago and the water was crystal clear, absolutely crystal clear. I actually even got in the water, but I didn't film none of it due to the fact that I was with a group and yeah, it was just difficult to film. Hence why I came back up here and to make you guys see it. But God, it's changed now, absolutely changed. Was it worth the visit? Yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. But I would have loved the water to be clear so I could just dipped in it and cooled off a bit. But that's not going to be the case today. But just to tell everyone, it doesn't always look like that. I know because I've witnessed it and came here before and the water was crystal clear. So don't let that deter you. So whoever comes up here, you know, it's whether you're lucky or not to see that or to see crystal clear water. Probably because it rained last night. Did it rain last night? No, it didn't even rain last night, but it rained the last couple of nights ago. So probably that's why it's like that. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Do you know, it looks quite bad there. It's all foamy. You could walk across this bit, it's easy to go through. But yeah, the water's foamy. When I was there, I just stepped across a few rocks, crystal clear water. It's all foamy now. I know you can walk all the way up round, you know, because when I was here, the two people, they crossed and went all the way up. There is a walking path up there as well. Yeah, peak season, be flooded with people. I guess it's not so enjoyable when you've got a whole heap of groups of people when it's like this. So for those who want to come out, you know, at this particular time in a rainy season, this is definitely the time. Because you've got the place to yourself. I was going to cross over, but I don't know how deep that middle bit is. But I know you can climb across up there because I can see there's a path for it. And there's someone put a bit of artwork up there. But I know you can keep travelling around to go up the top to the next part of the waterfall. But yeah, I won't take that chance today because it's just me on my own. No, not that anything would happen anyway because you know, the current's not strong, but I don't want to slip and knock my head on the stone. But yeah, stunning. As you can see, I'm in the water. Whoa! And the stones are very slippery. Breathtaking. It probably ain't that high, you know. In fact, I know it isn't because I came here a couple of days ago. It weren't high, but it didn't look like this. You know, it wasn't coming down so much, and the water was crystal clear, absolutely crystal clear, and a lot calmer. And the only spot here, I think it was right here I came in. It just literally goes to my shoulders. Yeah, I just came across an unusual plant. Never seen a plant like this before. I'll try and Google it, or if someone can let me know what it is, because I have no idea. But yeah, it looks quite nice. I wonder if it opens up or whether that is just how it looks. Oh, it's got like little spikes on it down here. They look like horns. like antelope or something. Well, I don't know, I'm not sure, but definitely look like horns. Quite a few of them. And I've got to go through there in order to get back out. Because as you see, I'm trapped. Well, not trapped, but that's the only way back out. Oh shit. Don't leave litter, everyone. Too nice a place to leave things. So yeah, that was mine. I forgot I put it on the floor while I was filming that. The question is, can I remember my way back out? Is it up there? Or was it across here? No, it's up there. It's in the secret Tomb Raider hole. That's what that reminds me of. Which I said earlier, because that's the way back out up there. I mean, it may just look like nothing to you lot on the camera, because I'm looking at it on my small camera, and it just looks like there is no path back up. Yeah, so anyone coming to visit this particular waterfall, make sure you've got the right footwear, plenty of water to drink so you don't dehydrate, and just be very cautious. I've made it up the first bit, the way out. God, don't that just look lovely though? I think I'm gonna need two hands here. I've got the bike keys in my hand and the water bottle. Let me put this in this hand. I think that might be better. I swear I've got to go up there. Yes. I'll go out at the top now. Not easy. It's not, whoa, just almost went back there. Difficult, difficult. And I class myself relatively fit. I'm knackered. Oh, thought I was there. Hopefully that's the last step. I guess that is the last step. Somebody leaving litter. Not good. Can't leave it in a paradise tropical place like this. God, if we all left it, imagine what it'd look like in a year. Yeah. For anyone coming to lose a couple of pounds of fat, this is definitely the place for it. You definitely have a good sweat out. Oh, I can see the sign. Whew. Made it. Yes. Now I've got to go grab myself another water. Right, now was that turn in there? Oh no, I believe it was straight. Yeah, I've just come from the waterfall. I'm working my way back down. I saw this coming up, but I thought I'd do it on the way back down. But yeah, absolutely breathtaking. It's so nice.